Good morning, students. Myself Kamalnath. I welcome you all in the class of English. This is the third video session of this week, and this week we are discussing and learning the question answer, all sorts of question answer from exercise of chapter 5, Wet in the Forest. I am sure you must have written rest of the question answers that I discussed in the last two videos. This is the third video and last video of this week. I am going to explain you rest of the questions and some questions from grammar based, that is grammar and usage, words in use. These are very helpful because grammar's rules are the tools which help us best way how to speak and write correct English. And so let us see what is in the exercise today. We are going to discuss some of the questions that is in appreciating the text. There are two parts of the exercise: understanding the text and then is appreciating the text, in which we give the view, opinion on the basis of the story, whatever questions are asked. First question is, the speaker's team accomplished their aim by facing a different problem at each step and then finding a solution. Explain this statement. The sentence that is taken here, we have to explain about this sentence. What does this sentence mean? At first, the team did not know where the injured elephant was or how to locate it. We know and we remember very well. Then a young man approached them, came to them and said that he knew where the elephant was. He had been taking food to the elephant because the injured elephant was not able to manage its food. It was not able to walk. So the boy helped him managing the food, providing him food. He was bringing food for him every day. The next problem was to separate the injured elephant from its herd, from the group of elephants, so that it could be treated. The injured elephant's leg, that part was injured, could not be treated by the medical team until and unless the injured elephant was again just alone, and that injured elephant was always surrounded by its teammates. There were almost 50 students in that herd. So first it was essential to separate the injured elephant from its herd. After some discussion, the team decided to chase the herd away so that the injured elephant would lag behind. They decided to chase them, making sound, commotion or bursting crackers, so that the elephant would be frightened, they would run away, and injured elephant would be left behind. The villagers helped the team by shouting and bursting crackers so that the herd would run away. Now the team needed to locate the injured elephant. Again the villagers helped them by finding the elephant. Finally, when the team had treated the elephant, they were worried because the elephant did not wake up when it was supposed to. What happened? The villagers helped the team by bringing buckets of water from nearby stream to pour on the drugged animal. The animal, the injured elephant, which was quite unconscious, and it was not coming into sense due to the effect of the drug that was given by the team, by the medical team. So it was necessary to pour the water on its body to bring the temperature down. Eventually, the team had to leave the spot because they could not stay near the elephant, although they would have preferred to. They wanted to live there until the elephant came into consciousness, but they had to leave the place because the herd was returning and the commotion, noise of the elephant could be heard. The herd of elephants was returning in search of the injured elephant, so they had to leave the place, otherwise it was quite dangerous for them. Later they heard that the elephant had revived in the night and the herd had taken it away after that. Second question from appreciating the text is, do you think that this problem solution style of writing contributes to the suspense in the text? This is the question. Do you think that this problem and solution style of writing contributes to the suspense in the text? Yes, this problem solution style of writing does contribute to the suspense in the text, in the story. It makes us wonder how each new problem may be solved, whether they will be able to treat the elephant at all, whether they will come face to face with the herd of wild elephants, and so on. Several problems came before the team, before the villagers, but they all combinedly, jointly made best efforts and solved this problem. Here you have some other questions, that is grammar based questions. You can see here, link the first part of each sentence with a suitable second part from the table. In the first part, with an, if, do not forget to give the comma before you are joining the other part, give comma. Okay, here, if you speak to him at once, he will book the ticket for us. This will be what here, the match. So I have already done, and you will do in your copy, joining them, your sentence. We may not reach Mangalore by tomorrow if the airline strike continues. So when you join these two sentences, you have to give comma. We may not reach Mangalore by tomorrow, comma, if the airline strike continues. Third one is, we shall consult an expert if the building develops more cracks. Quick, if you don't take it off the fire, the curry will burn. The match that is to be done here is just in the one way line was here in front of them, that is to be joined in your copy. Not a problem if you don't like the shirt. We will exchange it for another one. Priya will explain the rules to you, and that will be matched with the F number that is given. If you are going to be on the team, Here another exercise, that is C. Use each pair of sentences to make a second conditional sentence. Conditional is here in the just exercise, and that is here explained detailed in the class. So you see, first one, have you read the book Three Men in the Boat? It is really funny. How that will be made? Conditional, second conditional. If I had a copy, I would certainly read it. This is what here, another here, conditional that we have done. Second one, why don't you apply for engineering? Answer is, I am not sure of maths grade. Here that will be joined. If I was sure about my maths grade, I would certainly apply for engineering. Let us see now another one. I hope it doesn't rain. I hope it doesn't rain. Next sentence is, it can ruin our picnic. That will be joined like this. If it rained, it could ruin our picnic. If it rained, it could ruin our picnic. So let us see another one, fourth one. You should plan your homework better. You will then have time for a game of tennis. That will be joined like this with a second conditional. If you planned your homework better, you could have time for a game of tennis. If you planned your homework better, you would have time for a game of tennis. So these were what the exercises from grammar and uses, and certainly here words in use is already here discussed. So you please note down all these here exercises in your copy as well, and certainly you will learn them, revise them well. Thank you, students. Thank you very much being the part of this. Hope you must have understood all the questions, answers, and just grammar based exercises. Thank you very much.